Please be warned, the visuals you are about to see are hard to look at. Please be warned. Diepsloot, a product of the new South Africa. On the northwest of Johannesburg, it was established in 1995. Since then, it's mushroomed. It's difficult to get accurate figures, but it's estimated to have well over 250,000 residents. It's also plagued by mob justice. Police confirmed 21 incidents in the past 3 years.
247. I rep my city. Like Diepsloot, like no matter what, like. And if you can survive in Diepsloot, you can survive anywhere, my guy. I'm telling you.
Okay. Hey, welcome. Yagwamugele Diepsloot. Deep down. Kasila makasi down in the north. Kasila wonchandi nezamazu tatudot. Mangabuchelu ukuthi uyazi ucela uphape sadot. Asifuna ukubona i-925 in the sport. Sijaphela fast ekasi fashion ubastot. Khona to khona bo stay money igcwele nebot. Hliwinyaphe hliwikhetha yiki intwana engakho. Akekho uchero ngajo. Mntwana semsini una 16 uphenduka umakoti. Akekho umuntu ongaboni ekasi igcwele idemoni igcwele ispamu negoli. Hey, languya khona. Languya khona. Languya khona. Languya khona. Hey, languya khona. Languya khona. Jumpers, scissors, machita push it to last. Spuda no makendas, yibaba pete like us. Downtown, la panga se scissors. Told about my sister, asaba easy canvas. Bring us, chill us, you want to kazi. Saturday, your mom silanga la wash shots. Sunday, siakat, do me pass a dust. But you will on pala. Border, si Christmas, si you 7 colors. Si straight to Kweba, Bafas, Chela, and Tonga. Marcus, 11 fast no the last, no one's Oksava Vegas. Melubonga Bafas. Languya Kona. 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 Languya Kona.
People from around the country, from neighboring countries, have poured into Diepsloot as a place on the edge of Johannesburg where they can get, I suppose, a foothold in the city to look for jobs and opportunities. But it's meant it's grown incredibly fast in a very short period of time. The core of Diepsloot, what's called the resettlement area in Diepsloot, is one of the most dense and poor areas, where dozens of families have to share taps and toilets and no electricity, and a very high level of crime.